Wack, it's Jelisa, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right beside it so you'll never miss another upload. If you're not new, welcome back. So I'm gonna try to hurry up because my camera's going dead, but in this look today, it is, I believe, number 4 of my Fall Glam series, and I used, of course, my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette to create this really pretty, I guess it's like a, what is this? It's like a green and gold type of shadow I used in the 35M Boss Mood palette, and I absolutely love it. But you'll see in the video how I did it and how I created this look, and I absolutely love this lip. I'll show you how I did this lip, what I used, all the details and everything. But I'm sorry I wasn't able to get up a video last week during Thanksgiving week. It was very hectic. I had a bunch of clients and I had to work and all of that. Plus I had to cook, all that good food. But I am so glad to be back filming, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you love this look. Also, this wig I made. So if you want a video on that, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below anything you would like to say, talk about, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and go, and I love you guys and be blessed. Alright guys, we are jumping back into the Morphe Boss Mood palette. It's the 35M palette. And if you haven't seen my other videos, this is what this palette looks like. It is gorgeous. It has a bunch of shimmers and just all kind of colors in here that you can work with. And you have your natural everyday type of colors that you can do. I'm going to use this shade right here. It is Red Carpets, and I'm going to use that as a bit of a transition shade. I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to put that right into my crease, and I will be using, I think I'm going to use this brush right here, and it is the Coastal Scents N06 brush. That shade is Nude Talk. So I'm going to go in next with this shade right here. So I'm going to put that right into the crease area. This is looking kind of patchy though. This is looking kind of patchy. What's going on? Like right in this area is more, I don't know, lighter, and over here is darker. I don't know what's going on there, but we're gonna keep working with this. Let me switch brushes. I'm gonna use this Coastal Scents BR250 brush and see if this makes a difference. This Black Magic, which is just black basically. I'm gonna put it in the outer corner and smoke it out. There we go, smoke it out a little bit. Gonna use this Smudge Tack brush by Bing. I don't know. It's just a kind of like dense buffer brush. All right, so we're all smoked out. And I told myself I was not going to do a wet cut crease, but I am. And I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color shade Fun. This e.l.f. blending eye brush and blot this concealer out. I'm gonna use this color right here, and it's like a green kind of shimmery color. It is called Bold Moves, and I'm using the Morphe M167 brush to apply this shimmery shade. So pretty. That is so pretty. Alright guys, we're back, and I went ahead and applied liner, which was the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, of course, and my lashes are just some like demi wispy type lashes. So we're gonna move on to the face, and for primer I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Matte. Maybelline Fit Me's brand, and it is the shade color 358 Latte. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So for concealers, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 46. And I have been using this on myself like non-stop. I absolutely love this concealer. So something different I have been trying for setting powder is this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder right here in the shade 35 Deep. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark, it's like just right. See how that is? It's just right. It doesn't change the color of anything. It blends right in. And it gives more of a natural airbrush type of look. It makes everything matte. And yeah, this has been working very well for me. So I like how that looks. We're going to be using the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer. Of course, I use that every time as a bronzer. I think it's so pretty. It just gives you that right amount of warmth. And it brings a definition back in your face. Lately, I've been using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. And like I said, I thought it was a little bit too light for me, but I've been loving it lately. This blush that I'll be using in this tutorial is the Black Radiance Toasted Almond Blush. And I want to use a blush that's a little bit more fall appropriate. And I'm just applying this with the e.l.f. blush brush. And I like this blush because no matter how much you put on, it doesn't look like it's too much. You can just pile it on and it's still not gonna look like it's just too much. So really pretty. So for lips, I don't know guys, should I go neutral, natural type of lip, or like a color? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and change and put my hair on, and I'll be back for the lip. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 Primer Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to use my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut to outline my lips. And for lipstick, I'll be using the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Biscotti. Then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Queen Bee. And I'm just going to stick that right in the center. And we are all done, ladies.